Think you've seen it all? The ASUS ROG Astral RTX 5090 OC Edition doesn't just deliver raw power, it also brings a few surprises you won't want to miss. Stick around to find out why this card might not be the perfect choice for everyone. The ROG Astral RTX 5090 features a futuristic design with a premium metal chassis and RGB lighting inspired by the cosmos. But does it feel as premium as it looks? Thanks to the innovative quad-fan force cooling system, including 4 Axial Tech fans, an optimized vapor chamber, and a phase change thermal pad, the card remains impressively quiet and cool even under full load. Compared to the MSI Supreme X, the ROG Astral delivers better thermal performance and higher boost clock speeds, making it an ideal pick for overclocking enthusiasts. With a price of around $3,359.99, this card clearly targets the premium segment, but considering the performance and features it offers, that price may very well be justified. For the latest deals and availability, check the Amazon link in the video description. So how does the card perform in real-world gaming? At 1080p, it consistently delivers over 120 FPS, even in demanding games like Cyberpunk 2077. At 1440p, performance remains impressive, averaging between 140 and 160 FPS, and in 4K, it still hits a stable 100 to 120 frames per second, making it a top-tier choice for high-end gaming. Want more performance tests and reviews? Make sure to subscribe to our channel. The ASUS ROG Astral RTX 5090 is without a doubt one of the most powerful graphics cards on the market. For the latest deals and availability, check out the Amazon link in the video description. And don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments.